Apart from facing slowing offtake, real estate giant DLF is now grappling with attrition in its top management tier. Darshan has got more details on that.
See, Nikunj, this is the report from the Economic Times, and they have filed it. Ramesh Sanka, who is the head of DLF Cyber City, which is basically the leasing and rental arm of DLF. So initially, this used to be DLF Assets Limited, which then got merged into DLF. So he is the head of it. Earlier, he was the CFO of the company. So he has resigned at this point of time, and he will continue till July 31st. So at this point of time, you know, it's a big exit for DLF because the leasing and rental was a big business for DLF. Close to almost 4 to 5 million square feet of leasing happens every year, and that actually goes on increasing as and when, you know, DLF keeps on making new assets. Apart from it, what they have said that he was also what we know is that he was instrumental in, you know, the sale of Aman Resort. So he was very instrumental in getting getting some of these non-core assets sold. Apart from it, he's done really well as far as the rental business was concerned, because initially when he started with it, the revenues were close to 100 crores, and now it's about 2,000 crores. What the management of DLF has said that, you know, they have confirmed the story. They have said that he will pursue his own business at this point of time. But since initially he was a CFO and then he moved on to this division, but clearly it seems that there seems to be some kind of this is one of the first biggest attrition that we have seen in DLF, and this is the news that is coming in from the Economic Times.